Hey guys, on today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a WhatsApp group video call in under 2 minutes. Let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your phone. Next, head to the group chat where you want to make the video call. Once you're in the group chat, tap on the video call icon on the top of the screen. If your group has more than 3 participants, WhatsApp will automatically make it a group video call. Just hit the video call button and everyone will be added. Now you can talk, laugh and share your moments with your friends or family all at once. And that's it. Making a group video call on WhatsApp is super easy. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell for more quick tutorials. See you in the next one.